न्यूयॉर्क की सफोक काउंटी के टाउन ऑफ आइसलिप की टाउन सुपरवाइजर एंजी कारपेंटर तीसरी टर्म के लिए अपने ओहदे का इलेक्शन लड़ रही हैं। एंजी कारपेंटर की इंतखाबी मुहिम अपने आखिरी मरहले में दाखिल हो गई है। सफोक काउंटी के पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी रहनुमा राजा हसन अहमद की जानब से टाउन सुपरवाइजर कारपेंटर के एजाज़ में एक मीट एंड ग्रीट तकरीब का एहतमाम किया गया। इस तकरीब में पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी की मुख्तलिफ अहम शख्सियात और अरकान ने बड़ी तादाद में शिरकत की। तकरीब में शिरकत के लिए एंजी कारपेंटर सफोक काउंटी के डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी रे टियर्नी के साथ जब तकरीब में पहुंची तो राजा हसन अहमद ने कम्युनिटी कायदीन के साथ उनका पुरतपाक इस्तकबाल किया और एंजी कारपेंटर का कम्युनिटी कायदीन और अरकान से तारुफ करवाया। राजा हसन अहमद ने एंजी कारपेंटर को तकरीब में खुश आमदीद कहते हुए कहा कि एंजी कारपेंटर के दौर में पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी और टाउन ऑफ आइसलिप के दरमियान ताल्लुकात को फ़रोग हासिल हुआ और तीसरी टर्म में उनकी कामयाबी से इन ताल्लुकात में मज़ीद इजाफा होगा।
I wanted to take this opportunity to thank you very much for your commitment to diversity and inclusion. We recently in the town of Islip had a unity festival, and Supervisor Carpenter ensured that Pakistani Independence Day was celebrated at that unity festival. And to my knowledge, that's the first time in Suffolk County that our Pakistani Independence Day was celebrated, and we are truly grateful for everything that you do in the town of Islip and for our community. So would you take it away and do some
टाउन सुपरवाइजर एंजी कारपेंटर ने राजा हसन अहमद समेत पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी का शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए कहा कि वो तीसरी टर्म में मुंतखब होने के बाद कम्युनिटी के लिए अपनी हर मुमकिन खिदमात अंजाम देंगी।
It's just been an incredible experience for me, and I can't thank Hassan enough for inviting you and for you having the confidence and faith in coming here tonight for this meet and greet. I have been really blessed to be the supervisor of the town for 8 years, and Hassan mentioned the Unity Council. Many years ago, it was formed in the town. It was called the Anti-Bias Task Force, and I felt that that was kind of negative. Yes, there's bias, and we're against it, but I wanted us to come together in the spirit of unity. So we renamed it the Unity Council, and then, prior to that, we had COVID, so we hadn't been meeting for a while. So when it was time to meet again, we convened as a Unity Council. And then Hassan told me that it's going to be Pakistan Independence Day, and it was a wonderful opportunity for us to have representatives from the Pakistani community there. We presented a citation, and it was really a beautiful, beautiful event. And Hassan has been really a role model for the Muslim community. He has done so well by all of you. We have a wonderful, wonderful town. The diversity in our town is unique. I cherish it. I embrace it. We are so lucky.
तकरीब में शरीक सफोक काउंटी के डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी रे टियर्नी का कहना था कि वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी की हैसियत से किसी भी उम्मीदवार की तायद या हमायत नहीं कर सकते, ताहम वो एंजी कारपेंटर की बतौर टाउन सुपरवाइज़र खिदमात को शानदार अल्फाज में खराज तहसीन पेश करते हैं। उनका कहना था कि सफोक काउंटी में कानून की बालादस्ती और शहरियों के जानो माल की हिफाजत और अमन व अमान के लिए वो अपना हर मुमकिन किरदार अदा कर रहे हैं।
Capacity invited by Hassan to support Angie, which I am delighted to do. As Angie said, I ran for political office 2 years ago, and how and Angie took me under her wing, and to have a person. Angie was experienced, she was smart, she was unbelievably energetic, and she really, really taught me what it means to serve the public and how to do it effectively. So I really appreciated that. Because I was not smart, I was not experienced. So she really taught me the ropes, and I really, really appreciate that. As the district attorney, I am ethically enjoined from, I can't make endorsements, so of course I'm not going to, But what I can do is I can talk about my good friend Angie and all that she's meant to me, as well as my friend Hassan. And it's funny that we're here at La Estacion because this is really when I got into office. Really, what we wanted to do is we wanted to have community outreach. We wanted to serve the community. We wanted to protect the community. We wanted to be fair. And with a lot of the challenges that law enforcement is dealing with, there's a lot of crimes that slip through the cracks. So what we did was we worked with our great town supervisors, Angie of course being one of them, as well as our great community leaders such as Hassan with the Southeast Asian Advisory Board and the Community Quality of Life Boards. And we meet with our partners as well as our police department, and we say what's going on in our communities. And what we learned that was happening here was that there was a very small element, it's always a very small element of individuals, recidivists, who were really affecting the quality of life here at Estacion at the park. And so we really worked with our partners to really try to rectify that. And you know, we were successful. Where the town is reopening the park, we made a number of arrests. We made a number of arrests from La Estacion. And the good thing about that is we wouldn't have known about any of that. I'm over in Hauppauge in my office. You know, I've got 1.6 million people. I've got 1,372 square miles that I got to look after. So without the partnership of our town leaders and our community leaders, we don't know what's going on. So it's wonderful to be able to lean on all of the great people, Hassan, Angie, and to be able to see, they give us insight as to what's going on in the community, and then it's our responsibility to do something about it. So I'm grateful to Angie for all of her help, not only as a mentor, but all the great jobs she's done with the town of Islip. And I look forward to working with her for many, many more years to come. Thank you all.
इसी तकरीब में अचानक रिपब्लिकन पार्टी से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले काउंटी एग्जीक्यूटिव के उम्मीदवार एड रोमेन भी पहुंच गए और उन्होंने पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी के मुकामी शख्सियात और अरकान से मुलाकातें की और उनका कहना था कि टाउन ऑफ आइसलिप की सुपरवाइज़र एंजी कारपेंटर की वो इलेक्शन में मुकम्मल ताईद व हमायत करते हैं।
I wanted to stop by. I had another event tonight. I wanted to stop by because I wanted to say hello to Angie Carpenter. She's running. She's a great supervisor. I support her 100%. And I heard our great district attorney, Ray Tierney, was here. Wonderful district attorney, very supportive of this community as I am. I am looking forward to the day where I win and your community has a strong voice in county government because it needs that voice. We need to make sure that we hear you, that your concerns are addressed, and that you have the jobs and opportunities that everyone should have in this country. God bless you for all you do.
You're welcome.
And as the imam over there would say, all things are possible with God, God willing. Inshallah.
Forget to like, comment and subscribe.